The Chicco Close to You Bassinet is a versatile 3-in-1 solution that serves as a bedside sleeper, portable bassinet, and adjustable height changing table, making it a practical choice for parents. With its soft mattress and soothing options like melodies and vibrations, this bassinet provides a cozy and restful environment for newborns. The bassinet features a reversible mattress with organic cotton fabric that is both comfortable and easy to clean, as it can be zipped off and machine washed. A range of height adjustments allows the bassinet to be maneuvered conveniently over the bed for easy access during night feedings or when using it as a changing station. The Chicco Bassinet's portability is enhanced by its rubberized swivel wheels and dual-function handle, making it easy to move from room to room while ensuring stability with its lock-in-place feature. Mesh side panels on the bassinet offer excellent visibility and ventilation, ensuring a safe and comfortable space for your baby.